you could start working on your belly fat while simply sitting beside your bed? This is my bed. Sometimes the hardest part about fitness is simply getting started, especially on those days when your body feels heavy, your stomach feels uncomfortable, and even standing for a workout feels like too much. And honestly, so many women silently feel this way. You wake up tired, you sit most of the day, your body starts feeling stiff, slow, low on energy, and somewhere in between work, family, stress and responsibilities, your own health slowly starts deteriorating. And then when you open fitness videos online, everything feels extreme. Fast exercises, jumping, difficult movements, intense routines, and you instantly feel, I can't do this. But today's workout is different. Today we are keeping things simple. No standing workout, no jumping, no pressure, just easy sitting exercises you can do in the comfort of your own home, right here sitting on the floor beside your bed. Hi everyone, I'm Natasha Mohan, and over the years I've helped so many women start fitness routines in a much more realistic and manageable way, because real fitness is not about punishing your body, it's actually about helping your body move a little more. That too consistently, little by little, day by day. And today's sitting workout is especially good for beginners, women with low energy, people who sit for long hours, or anyone who wants easy daily movement for overall fitness, belly fat support, waist movement and stronger core muscles. The best part is you do not need to be fit to begin this workout. You just need to start. Even slow movement matters. And before we begin, tell me in the comments, are you doing this workout in the morning or at night? I genuinely read all your comments because I know there are so many women out there who are trying to fit movement into their busy daily routine. So for the first exercise, we're going to sit cross-legged like this, keep our core muscles tucked in tight, your torso should be straight, and now we're going to do bed touches. We're just going to go backwards like this and touch the bed lightly. So this very movement is enabling this area to stretch enough, tighten and tone the muscles, and it's super easy and effective. You can do it every day. Let's do it together. You just have to breathe normally while you're doing this. So the trick is you actually have to try and touch the bed not far and wide, but just behind your shoulder. Well done! You've just finished the first exercise. Aren't you excited to see the second one now? Now, let me tell you something really interesting. The second exercise is also very similar. All you have to do is maintain a distance between the bed and yourself. Earlier, our back was actually resting against the bed, but now I have moved forward. At least keep a 1 palm distance between the bed and yourself, so that when you touch, you have to strain slightly more and move slightly more towards the side, and this very area, which is your side belly fat, is definitely going to get affected, and also your lower belly area. So let's do it together, and while you're doing this exercise, you just have to keep your breathing normal. All right, let's do it together. So this simple and easy movement is so amazing where you can literally do it either in the morning or at night, just before going to bed. And it's a nice stretch, especially for those people who have had a sedentary lifestyle the whole day. And just a little tip, try and have your dinner early so you can keep a gap of at least 2 hours between your dinner, this exercise, and bedtime. Well done! You have completed another minute of this amazing exercise. Now for the next exercise, you have to do easy and amazing pull-ups, just like this. It's going to target your lower belly fat and definitely help you many folds for all parts of your belly area. Now let's do it together. If you're looking for overall fitness or trying to improve your core strength, then this is the best exercise. You can keep your hands beside yourself and you can just pull your legs in like this. Amazing! Well done! Next movement is again a simple and easy movement. You have to bend one knee like this, then you have to lift your leg up like this, and don't let it touch the floor and keep your toes inwards. Just take it up and down like this. Pulse. We'll do it for 30 seconds and then we will change the leg. And then we will do it with the other leg. Well done. Now let's lift this leg up and pulse with this one. It's again an easy, effective exercise. Super doable, very beginner friendly. You can do it every day. Just imagine, in the comfort of your own home, sitting against your bed at night or in the morning. Well done! So proud of you. I'll see you soon again next week with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.